Astronauts Eric Boe and Sonny Williams have been to the International Space Station before, but their latest travels are a bit more earthly.
So we're here in St. Louis at the Boeing facility, which is making the Starliner simulators.
NASA astronauts are getting an up-close look at a set of CST 100 Starliner trainers. Their trainers' glass cockpits have every button, switch, and knob that'll be in the real capsule.
What the part task trainer does is it gives you a chance to get the feel and look, where to look, how to use the procedures. When you go to a screen in the background, when I hit this button, what's it going to look like?
The crew part task trainers will soon head to Johnson Space Center.
I'm psyched. We need to get these down to Houston so we can start training.
Astronauts and flight control crews will run through mission scenarios to prepare them for the launch, the flight, and the return home aboard Starliner.
So I think one of the greatest things about these trainers, it gets you so used to what you're going to do. We'll practice a number of times that you'll be so familiar that, like a lot of people ask, is it scary? Of course it's scary because you're sitting on a rocket, but you're very familiar with where you are.
You start out slow, you kind of walk before you run, and then that's what this trainer really does. It's like the training wheels that you got on your bicycle.
Then it's on the training part 2. Training systems engineers in St. Louis will be hard at work building the Boeing mission simulator.
That is a fully enclosed, high-fidelity cockpit.
NASA and Boeing have teamed up to transport astronauts to and from the space station.
The commercial crew program is, the door into the future for the next spacecraft. It's allowing NASA to work hand in hand with the commercial providers, giving them a free rein, essentially, to come up with amazing spacecraft.
First flights for the CST 100 Starliner are slated for 2017, bringing human space exploration's future and past full circle.
To see Boeing once again involved with manned spacecraft and work with astronauts, work with NASA, it's very fitting for its 100th year anniversary.
And to have St. Louis be so intimately involved once again in the next great U.S. space adventure, it's just been fantastic. What an honor. What more could you ask for?